John Sue from Construction Engineering, and today we're on another HOA condominium site. Property managers gave us a call and they told us that they had some structural issues on their clubhouse pool deck. I'm here to take a look at the situation, and basically they were right. We had some deterioration on the wood beams. The actual deck itself is rotted. Their pool deck is actually falling into the lake. Why? Because they're losing a lot of fill due to erosion. So we have to come up with a clever solution to stop the erosion, at the same time give them a design and possibly a build out for a new deck. So these are the type of calls we get a lot of times when we build up a good relationship with property managers. Not only do they hire us for engineering stuff, but they also bring us back to do jobs like this, and very privileged to be here. And we're going to be able to provide them with a proposal and a quote for the design and possibly the construction of this pool deck. Hopefully the bid and get the job.